but thanks very much for kicking our webinar off. You mentioned there at the end closed transfer systems, and Harry Fordham is our next speaker. Harry, do you want to introduce yourself? I know that you're very active in the sprays and sprayers at cereals, but do you want to say a few words about yourself and then present your presentation?
Yeah, of course. Thanks, Phil. Thanks, Ian. As if it was all planned, Ian sort of led me into closed transfer. My name's Harry Fordham, everyone. I work for Syngenta in the UK, Benelux and Nordic regions. My role is New Farming Technologies Lead, which is very active in the application space. So nozzle technology, sprayer technology and digital agriculture. But my place in this webinar is to talk about EasyConnect and closed transfer and the closed transfer system that Syngenta have been involved with, along with a lot of our colleagues in the application in the chemical industry. Just making sure you can all see that. Yeah, all good. Just as I thought I've been given 5-10 minutes to give EasyConnect in a nutshell. What is EasyConnect? Who is involved? How does it work? What are the benefits? And why are we looking into it? Cool. My computer is on a go slow this morning. As I say, what is it? How does it work? What are the benefits? And what do users think? Ian alluded to it earlier. Ian is one of our pilot users and is testing it for us. But we have, in the UK, we have 20 pilot users. And across Europe, we probably have about 100 in total. So we've got farmers using it in many different situations, in different cropping, different locations, different sprayers, all giving us feedback on how to make it work. So an introduction to EasyConnect. What is it? Who's involved? So at the moment it's supported by Adama, BASF, Belchim, Corteva, Certis, FMC, New Farm, Ravenza and Syngenta. It's an open group. We are inviting as many people to come along as possible. The more members of the EasyConnect task force, the better. And I'm not allowed to say if anyone else has joined yet, but there is a press release coming out at 9 o'clock this morning UK time, which hopefully will allow us to be excited about a new member as well, which hopefully will make a lot of you a lot more interested in the system. There's a couple of technology, which you can see on the right-hand side there, the black thing at the bottom. That has been developed in conjunction with Hypro Pentair. And this is a coupler that makes the whole system all integrated into one. So there's no chance of, or very little chance of any spillage. The cap has been designed in conjunction with all the sprayer manufacturers and their cap manufacturers as well. And I'll come on a little bit onto that later on. It's easy to use and operated. There are only 3 handles or moving parts on the whole thing. It's very quick to empty, and I'm sure hopefully Ian would back me up on this, but he's given us feedback that it's actually quicker than normal filling of a sprayer when emptying cans into an induction hopper. The rinsing is integrated into the system. All the packs will be resealable and leak proof, and also compatible with local standard recycling schemes. As we all know, plastic is becoming a bit of a dirty word. And if we can reduce the amount of plastic we use or make it easier to recycle, that can only be a good thing. So in essence, what is EasyConnect? EasyConnect is a cap that has been developed by the task force across Europe. And it is made up of, it's of an ISO standard, so it's an international standard cap, and it's known as ISO 63. The reason for that is the cap is 63 millimeters wide, and it has 3 constituent parts. So if I get my laser pointer out, you can see on my screen here, that top right, we have the dust cover with the EasyConnect branding on it. The grower or operator will remove that before using it on the sprayer. We have the main threaded cap here in the middle, and within the main threaded cap, there is an inner cap. The benefit of the EasyConnect system is that if you as an operator or grower don't have the EasyConnect coupler on your sprayer or in your fill area at the time, for the time being, what happens is this is still a threaded cap that can be used normally. But if you do have the coupler and the system to use EasyConnect, the cap and the can will go upside down onto the coupler as demonstrated here. And I'll just show a video in a moment. It'll be locked in place. The inner cap gets removed by the coupler. The chemical is then sucked out into the sprayer without sucking into the can, so the air is replaced. It is then rinsed thoroughly, both the main can and then the inner orifice of the inner surface of the cap as well. And then we have a thoroughly rinsed and cleaned can that is no longer contaminated. This is how it will be plumbed in, and very similar to the induction hopper, we can have them plumbed in alongside the induction hopper, or we can have them plumbed in separately, but we've been in consultation with both sprayer manufacturers and sprayer operators to have them plumbed in together, and what the feedback would be. So it's not been that complicated, and when we've asked sprayer manufacturers to have a look at this, they've been very open and very keen to do it and make sure it's done correctly. Thought I'd just share a quick video to just show you what it actually looks like in real life. And this is a sprayer operator in Germany, but it's quite a good video to illustrate how the system works. So I'll just move, but you can see the operator removes the dust cover, turns the can upside down onto the coupler, and you can see all the manufacturer's different cans there, and the speed at which it empties is rapid, quick, very little to no foaming whatsoever. The operator then rinses the inside of the can, and you can see a very powerful jet cleaning all the nooks and crannies, can spin on the cap. Inner cap gets resealed back in place, turn the handle back around to the 8 o'clock position, now rinsing the inner cap, and you can see spinning it on position. It then unlocks using the handle, and you can see no leaks and able to do any draining that may or may not be required. It is then able to be chucked in the recycling centre. So a very quick, simple, easy process. I'm sure you'll agree, and something that we've taken a lot of pride in as the EasyConnect task force within the UK to be used by the operator easily, quickly, and safely. So the key elements are that we believe it's faster. The cap has no foil seal. All of the components are completely integrated into the can. The cap will be consistent across all the manufacturers involved in the system. And pilot users that we've questioned and done tests with have said it's up to 20 to 30% quicker than standard filling, which is a benefit for everyone. It's easier. There's no need to be worried about measuring jugs. We can do partial dosing. Rinsing and cleaning is completely integrated into the system. There is no adapter needed because all the manufacturers will use the same cap and integrated cap into the can, sorry. It'll be safer because it's completely enclosed, integrated, emptying and cleaning. There's no need to be pouring in the yard, and no need to remove caps in order to pour. And as I said before, no foils on the cans at all, which I think we can all agree is good for speed, ease of use, and for the environment. As we know, foils can be one of the main exponents of point source contamination. So we are extremely happy and confident with the EasyConnect system. And actually, so are the pilot users that have used it. We've done surveys across Europe, and all of our pilot users would recommend the EasyConnect system to a friend or colleague. And these are a few comments that have come out from the pilot users, again, across Europe. And you can see all of them are nice and positive. The future of operator safety, clean and easy to use, easier, quicker, safer for operators in the environment, lower operator exposure. It'll save contact with chemical. It's quick and efficient with very thorough rinsing. The CTS system needs to happen now, and we need all chemical packaging to a standard. So you can see we're getting there. I think one of the biggest positives of the EasyConnect system is actually there are 10 or 12 chemical companies all talking together, all working together as a team to ensure that the ease of use of our chemistry and packaging is maximised for operators and farm managers alike. So I hopefully that is it in a nutshell. I've gone through it quite quickly, I appreciate, but any more information will be coming out quickly and rapidly across the industry to help explain how this will work on farm.
Thank you very much indeed, Harry. And yeah, we'll get some questions when we've heard the final two presentations. So if you have got questions on either what Ian's spoken about or what Harry's spoken about, please do pop them in the Q&A, and then we'll get to them at the conclusion of the presentations.